My name is Kelvin Owens, maybe you know, maybe you don't. Today we're going to do a very simple, awesome and nice tutorial in Adobe Photoshop. So follow me as we make this journey possible with a simple canvas, right? Most of the time I use 1080 by 1080 and I make sure that the resolution is 72 always. So what we are going to attempt first of all is look for our color palette, and how I do that is that I go to coolest.com. It's an amazing platform that allows you to explore a wide variety of palettes that allows you to create beautiful and wonderful works. So right now what I'll do is that I'll be testing out the colors to see which one best suits the kind of design I want to go to. So this flyer that we are creating is for a prayer walk and a kinky party. Basically, that's what we do. So right now, first of all, what I do is I add the color fill to it and I try to explore the different backgrounds to see which one best fits what I'm trying to achieve right now. Yeah, so basically that's what I'm trying to do right now, testing out the backgrounds right now. So what I do most of the time is that when I get a design, the first thing that comes into mind is that I try to search out the keywords, right? So doing this allows me to explore a wide range of ideas. You see, some words represent a host of things, but maybe because you don't know, you may be doing things one way. So what I did was that I typed walk, it's a prayer walk, right? So I just typed walk in Google and explored a number of features, and eventually I got to use just one. Yes, and I wasn't disappointed with the picture I chose in general. Yes, it really allowed me. So basically what I do is that when I get the thing, whatever the theme is, like a mighty power, like a Russian mighty win, like a mighty Russian win, the keywords in them, explore the pictures around them, and try to come up with something. So I use the lasso tool to cut out and remove the background, like, in essence. I really love the lasso tool. I will not lie to you. Adjust the size a little bit, you know. So now I'll just add my shapes. This is give it a little bit of contrast because the background is so bare, right? So bare. So I add a little contrast with the colors. Trying out different colors. Now I'm adding the text to show prayer. So what I'm going to do is just I want to lay it down like it's on the floor, no? Not too much, but at least when you see it, you see that the prayer walk is actually on the floor. We are walking, so it makes sense actually. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. So the reason I did a transform tool is that when you use a transform option or smart object option, it allows you to transform the text very easily. You understand? It allows you to manipulate it without affecting the quality of the text, and that's a beautiful thing to have. So I can change every angle and everything, but still the prayer work will remain the same. The quality will not reduce. Nothing will happen to it. You get it? Yeah. From here, make sure that the text is under the shoe. After this, all we do is I will try and add some shadow beneath the shadow beneath the shoe to give it a form of natural. Even though it's not natural at all, it will give it that form. You understand? So what I'll do is that at intermittent points, I'll stop talking. I think you can follow. It's not everything I have to say. You get it? It's not everything I have to say. I'll just let you know that I'm here with you, and then, you know, because designing and talking is not really a nice thing. I don't know. What do you think? Yeah. Maybe when I'm walking through the process one by one, this is fine. That is fine. If I'm walking through your process. But I think at a point I just keep quiet and see how far we'll go with the design. And God bless you so much for everything Just pay attention. I'll be putting the resources I used in the description. Kindly check them out. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, whatever you don't understand, comment. I'll reply you. I also have a Telegram community I'm still building. Okay, you can also join. I'll put a link in the description as well. So God bless you so much. I believe this video is really going to bless you and make you like see design in a different light. And I'll be dropping more tutorials. So be on the lookout. God bless you so much. My name has been Kelvin Owens, and I'm out. I'm gonna see you. Alright, let's do this.